gorgeous that is. Whoa. Woo! Yeah. Now we are jamming. We are jamming. Or at least I'm jamming. I love to dance, guys. Speaking of that, don't ask me why this popped in my head out of that, but I want to say shout out to my UK people. Over the last several months, I've been getting a lot of comments from you guys saying, hey, Shannon, just want to let you know we love you out here in the UK. So I just want to say, hey, you guys, I love you out here in Canada. Okay, now this is what we're talking about. This layering here. Whoa. Whoa. Light is perfect. I've got my big lamp right here, right over there. Whoa. I don't want to do any more. Oh, I don't want to do any more. Okay, let me just wipe my hands off and add some more black around. Just so we're prepared, people. Ooh. If I could jump in this painting right now, I would. And I'm so happy too. You guys tell me that you guys love my personality, which is very sweet. I hear that all the time from you guys. And that you really enjoy my videos. And thank you so much, guys, because yes, I paint for me first, of course. But nothing in life is enjoyable when you don't share it. And to share it with people like you guys, because I have the best subbies, is just amazing. Oh, guys, I don't want to tilt. Okay, every section. There's so many other colors and layers, and look at that starting to sell up. Thank God I taped this, because I layered so many times in the last few days. I don't want to forget how I did this. Oh gosh. Where do I want to go? I'm just going to stretch that up a bit. Okay. Oh my gosh, guys. Whoa. And yes, my light is adding to it, but that is what that looks like. Okay? That is extremely vibrant. And this 24 karat gold always radiates. And again, your paints are going to look more vibrant and lustrous depending on the colors that you use with it. And so for me, that's why contrast, oh my gosh, is so important. And when I do straight pours and ring pours, guys, I love those wavy, curvy motions. For me, as you guys know, movement is extremely important. And I love these rings. There's a lot of gold, but because of that, it doesn't make it look like it's taken over. The gold works perfectly. Perfectly. Oh my gosh. This is gorge. You guys know, I'm going to get on a tangent here. I just love it. I love it. I love it. I must tell you guys, it is so funny. I go back and I watch some of my videos. It's always good to see where I've come or see things I change. It's a lot different when you view them than just trying to go by, you know, memory, and also to take a look at different things. I almost peed myself. If you guys want an amazing laugh, you would never know it was a pouring video with the noises and how excited I was. But go check out my sunset pour. Okay, and that's exactly what it's called. It's called I believe it's just called Sunset Painting Landscape. This has my mind blown. And this is what I want. This is what I call a true, beautiful straight pour. And so now with those colors, layering it or pouring it the way that it was layered is better than pouring it from the side based on the designs. Now, all I want to do here, I should really stop talking because what's going to happen is I'm going to just keep stretching, and I don't want to do that.